Welcome back everyone. My name is Vijayanand and in today's session we are going to learn about Agile methodologies and its frameworks. In the past, waterfall model approach has been used for project management. So when do you use waterfall model? This particular model is used when there are no ambiguity in the requirements. The customer has clear vision of what the end product is going to be, is very clear about the requirements and how it is supposed to be performing, and is not going to ask for any change during the development of the product. In such scenarios, waterfall approach is advisable. But in reality, that's not the case. Many a times, there is a change in the scope that the customer comes back with during the course of the journey. The team members need not be interacting with each other till the end product. There is no status reports that needs to be submitted by them, and the client is not going to be involved during the stages of the project. These are some of the disadvantages of the waterfall approach, and hence we are going to see a better approach in the way in which we can build projects and products can be delivered successfully, meeting the expectations of the customer. So we are going to consider two approaches. One is an iterative approach, the other is an incremental approach. Iterative approach is starting with what I know. I don't have the final visibility of the end product, but I will start with something I know. I will refine it as I move along. That is the iterative approach. Incremental approach is I do not know the end product, but I know modules or specific components, end-to-end requirements with which I can build the pieces of the product and then finally deliver the end product. So the iterative approach plus the incremental approach and the change in the mindset of the people is the new Agile methodology. Let us now understand the four core values of Agile. Individuals and their interactions over process and tools is the first point. The human element, end of the day, is going to be key for the success of any project. Relying too much on the tools and processes is going to create the inability to adapt for any change in requirements. The second point is working software more than the documentation. So documentation for any project management approach is important, but it should not be too much for the developers, and we should not be overloading them. So addressing what the needs of the developer is going to be more key. Third is the customer collaboration. Engaging the customer from the beginning of the project till the end of the project, that kind of interaction is going to help build a better product which is going to satisfy the customer needs. The fourth core value is responding to change. Historically, change was seen as an expense and something that should be avoided. However, in the Agile ways of working, continuous interactions and any change in requirements is going to be key for successful delivery, to do reviews and for delivering a better product that meets the customer needs. Let us now quickly look at the 12 principles of Agile. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. The second is welcoming change requirements even late in development. Third one is delivering projects frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with preference to a shorter time scale. Fourth is team members working collaboratively, working together throughout the project. Fifth is build projects around motivated individuals. Sixth is face-to-face conversation is the most efficient and effective way for conveying information to and within different teams. Seventh is the final product is the primary measure of progress. Eighth is agile processes promote sustainable development. So all stakeholders should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. 9. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. 10th and the most important is simplicity. The art of maximizing the amount of work not done is going to be essential. 11. The best architectures, requirements and design emerge through self-organizing teams. And the last one is that regular intervals the team reflects on how to become more effective and then adjust their behavior accordingly. These are the 12 key principles of Agile. Let us do a quick comparison of the Agile and traditional methodologies. With respect to Agile, there's going to be visibility from the start till the end of the projects. There's going to be daily catch-ups, it's going to be incremental, iterative as we discussed, and the ways of working, the culture and mindset is now completely changed due to the higher collaboration. With respect to adaptability, even if there are going to be new requirements or change in requirements that is going to be coming to the customer, the Agile methodology will facilitate that, so adaptability is definitely going to be high. The same point extended is with respect to the business value. As we progress through the project, changing as per the customer requirements is greatly going to enhance the business value based on the market needs and trends. Finally, when it comes to risk, since the entire project management is going to be in an iterative incremental fashion and with shorter time for releases, the risk is definitely low in the agile methodology. So this is a quick comparison of the agile and traditional methodologies. Let us now look at the benefits of agile methodology. We can focus on the key features and priorities first. Customer is engaged from the beginning till the end of the cycle, and there is an opportunity to take constant feedback. There's greater utilization of the teams starting from the project till the end of the project, and there's a great throughput. Opportunity to improve the features of the final product is very high. There is a greater return on investment and faster time to market. Lastly, we are going to have happy customers and happy teams who at the end of the day feel they have delivered the right project that is exceeding the business requirements. Finally, there's going to be greater transparency and visibility throughout the project. So far, we have learned about agile methodologies. Now we will see the different agile frameworks and approaches. For implementing agile methodology, we can use different frameworks including Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming, DSDM, to name a few. We will cover each of these frameworks in the next session in detail. To quickly summarize, in this session we touched upon waterfall methodology, and then we learned about iterative and incremental ways of working, and then typically what agile methodology is, when is it used, what are the 4 core values, what are the 12 guiding principles, what are the benefits of agile, and what are the different frameworks and approaches we can use for agile methodology. So let us meet in the next session. Thank you.